Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and at the moment I'm recording this, crypto markets are actually surging at least a little bit. XRP's at $1.32. You've got Bitcoin at $51,709. Hey, I don't mind seeing that one bit. And for frame of reference, it is currently 11:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, and that's on Sunday, September 5th. So I want to talk about a few things. It's nice seeing the market move up, but take a look at this headline because look, there's this idea of XRP being a low investment, high reward opportunity, and my opinion is that actually does make sense. But there's this article from AMB Crypto, and I do like AMB Crypto generally, but here's the headline. They wrote, "Are Cardano, XRP, Litecoin, Binance Coin the low investment, high return alts you need in your portfolio?" And so I feel like I think some people could be led astray by some of what was written here. It's not completely horrendous, but I like to engage in critical thinking. I'm going to share with you my thoughts on this specifically because, as far as I'm concerned, there is tremendous opportunity in crypto, including XRP specifically, which is my favorite cryptocurrency. It happens to be my very largest cryptocurrency holding. And also, before wrapping up the video, I want to touch on a separate topic having to do with the SEC just refusing to provide crucial data. And it's in line with a video that I put out just the other day. But John Deaton, who is the attorney seeking to intervene in the SEC versus Ripple case on behalf of about 19,000 XRP holders, he shared his opinion on this, and so I wanted to provide a quick update. But before going further, I do want to be clear that I do not have a legal or financial background of any kind. I am not offering legal or financial advice, and you definitely should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. I'm just an enthusiast who enjoys making YouTube videos all up on the internet, but just as a fun hobby. And so let's just dig into this AMB crypto piece first. And there's just a few parts I actually really wanted to talk about, and they're towards the top. And it reads as follows. During the recent rally, while the top coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, rose significantly, there were other altcoins that performed well in terms of both network growth and price. Notably, some top alts, such as Cardano and XRP, offer a low investment option to market players. And so, look, here's the deal. All four cryptocurrencies they've already cited in those first couple sentences, I happen to hold all of them. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, yeah, I hold all of them. And the thing to note, though, is, like, Bitcoin leads the market, and I want it to do well, and I hope it will, and it may very well do well. It could be here 100 years from now. It's certainly plausible, right? But this market cycle, in terms of the multiplier effect compared to where it is right now, like how high do you think Bitcoin's going to go? Because even if you have a really high expectation, and what is that to you? It's subjective. Everybody has different opinions. Fine. What's a high Bitcoin price expectation for this market cycle for you listening to this? Is it 80,000? 85,000, somewhere in the range of like the blockchain backer talks about? Is it 100,000? Is that 150, 200,000, 250, 300, $400,000? Because think about it, like, let's just pick a number. Let's say that Bitcoin goes to $200,000, which is a bold prediction that not all analysts that I respect and follow think will get hit, to be honest with you. It might, and I would love to see that. But even, you understand, from the price level we're talking about, that's a four-fold increase. Just four. If Bitcoin peaks at an insane level of $200,000, that's a four-fold increase from here. That's in crypto. In crypto, that's not that good. If you're talking about that from here to the top, there's so much more opportunity in crypto, I personally believe. And again, to be clear, I'm not offering financial advice. I don't have a financial background. You should not buy or sell anything because anything I say or write, I'm just sharing my opinion here. But look at Ethereum too. Like, there are some analysts that think Ethereum could hit $10,000 this market cycle. Okay, so 2.5-fold increase from here because it's just a little shy of $4,000 at the time I'm recording this. Or what if you're super bullish and you think it's going to $20,000, and some analysts do. So that's what, a 5-fold increase from here. It's not like this bad. Like, and it's funny to think in terms like this because if you're talking about investing in the stock market, like I just got a 4 or 5-fold increase, like that's insane. But we're talking about crypto, and that's less impressive here. And so what you have to understand is that these cryptocurrencies, they've already run up. Not to their end point, and you do see the most crazy parabolic action happen towards the tail end of the market cycle. Of course, I fully acknowledge that. But what I'm saying here is, and what you should be aware of is, like, 3 of the 4 cryptocurrencies cited in those first few sentences, they're, in terms of a rank of market cap, there are coins 1, 2, and 3. Number 1's Bitcoin, 2 is Ethereum, and 3 is Cardano, ADA. And then you got XRP down at number 6. And XRP happens to be the only cryptocurrency that hasn't even touched its all-time high from 2018, which was a little shy of $4. Again, it's at $1.32 as I record this, which is impressive when you consider the low from last year. So that's great to see here. But you look at Cardano, and my gosh, it has been running nuts. Like, here's a Cardano chart. This is the all-time Cardano chart, and so back here, this is the. It doesn't even look that big anymore. But this was the parabolic price action. That's the chart that looked the same for pretty much every crypto on the freaking planet, including XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now you let time pass, and it's run up substantially higher. You saw Cardano breach the $3 level. And I'm not saying it won't go way higher. I mean, in fact, if you look at Cardano in terms of market cap, where is it right now? It's $92 billion. Okay. So Bitcoin's a little shy of $1 trillion right now, and Ethereum's at $459 billion. So how high is Ethereum going to go? Is it going to have $1 trillion market cap? Is Cardano going to match that? I mean, if so, that's a tenfold increase from here. Okay, but if Ethereum's going that high, how the hell high do you think XRP is going to go? I would argue substantially higher in terms of the multiplier effect. And so when you're talking about a low investment, high reward opportunity, I'm looking at coins that haven't moved up, and so fine, yes, XRP is definitely up. If you look at, its low from March of last year when the whole pandemic hit and all that, XRP crashed along with the stock market and the rest of crypto. XRP hit as low as about 11 cents. So yeah, fine, it's up over 1,000% to this point, which is, it's like weird, like saying that and then recognizing that is reality, but it really is. Like, that is what has happened here. But if you think about it, even just from here, what has not really gone nuts? So if you're talking about like large cap coins, which people perceive as safer, because like in theory at least, the lower you go down in terms of market cap, the riskier it gets. And I only agree to that to a certain degree. I agree with it a little bit, only in that. And what I mean by that is only in that. Most people don't know what the hell they're doing, and so that's the reason the market moves in tandem. People just put money in whatever the hell is moving up at the time, but there are a small percentage of humans that have influenced the rest of the market by putting their money boldly into cryptocurrencies regardless of the price action based on their confidence in terms of where they're going. And that is a real thing here. But so, factoring that in, like what's going on right now, well, XRP, again, out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, is the only cryptocurrency that has not hit its all-time high, which again was damn near $4 in early January of 2018. So, given that's the case, where do you think this is all going? I'm not making a price prediction. I really genuinely believe, though, XRP will hit its all-time high and enter a new realm of price discovery. Do I know that? Nope. I don't know anything for sure, which is why, again, I keep being clear here, like, you gotta make your own adult decisions here, but man, there just seems to me to be so much opportunity here. And check out what I'll say right here within this article, though. They write, this is unlike other bigger players, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and some other alts like Litecoin and Binance Coin too. Understanding their metric-driven data can indicate which of them is a suitable investment. The market participants at large aren't concerned so much about the price as they are about the return on investment, network strength, functionality, long-term growth, and risk associated with the asset. But who doesn't like low investment and high return options? In fact, low-valued top alts such as Cardano and XRP offer a good entry point for new participants in the space. Okay, so this is the part that really got to me right there. That really is. And mind you, again, I'm pro all of these cryptocurrencies. I hold all of them, actually. I do. And I have for some time. I bought Cardano for like 2 cents back in 2017, okay? And I'm holding it still. I am still holding it. But look, you're talking about, like, Cardano and XRP. Are they actually on the same level at this point? Because, again, I'm not denying that Cardano could run way, way, way higher if the rest of the market runs way higher because Bitcoin leads it. Certainly. But you're going to put Cardano on the same level as XRP in terms of multiplier effect because, again, like, yeah, I care about fundamentals. Maybe you listening to this care about fundamentals, but the market's going to act like ridiculous emotional humans that FOMO in and then panic sell. So I'd say throw out the idea of the importance of fundamentals just for at least for this market cycle. It doesn't matter much at all. I think that's pretty much provably true to this point here. And so you look at XRP, which hasn't run up that high, $1.32 right now. Well, again, like I said, like if you're talking about Ethereum going to like $1 trillion market cap, like, well, if XRP, frankly, like last market cycle, it hit the same peak market cap as Ethereum. So if it just does that again, like, what do you think that means? You're talking at XRP, what, $10? Perhaps much higher. Maybe it's $20, maybe it's $30, and we shall see. And so that's why, like, the way they worded this, I'm just like, okay, you're entitled to your opinion, but everybody is, and I just think that's not. I don't think it's sufficiently in line with reality. I think that could lead people to believe that literally at this point, Cardano, having run up way higher than XRP in terms of multiplier effect, is able to yield the same opportunity at this exact moment in time as XRP. I just don't believe that's true. Out of all the like any top 10 cryptocurrency from this exact moment in time, I think XRP is going to substantially outperform any other out of the top 10 cryptocurrency. That's what makes sense to me, though. How could that not be the case, given that it seems to be artificially suppressed, at least to some degree, thanks to what's happening with the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit? So, food for thought, anyway. And so now let's jump into this next topic, in which John Deaton did share his opinion. So I put out a video the other day on this. So let me run through this, and I'll share with you John Deaton's opinion. And this is from Crypto Law, which is the entity that John Deaton actually created. So they wrote, just added to our document library. The SEC responds to Ripple's motion to compel data on SEC employee trades of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. The SEC reveals that XRP did not appear on its prohibited holdings list and only went on its watch list in April 13th, 2018. So I'll pause right there. And so it is indeed true that XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum were never on a prohibited holdings list, which means that SEC employees were allowed to buy, hold, sell, whatever the hell they want to do with any of those assets, right? But XRP actually did end up on a watch list which prohibited them from purchasing XRP, but Ethereum and Bitcoin did not end up on that list. So why did XRP end up on that list? Well, it's because XRP was being investigated. Ripple was being investigated, but XRP was part of that, so like it was all being considered together. And as a result, XRP ended up on this watch list, which ended up resulting in it actually being barred, despite the fact that it wasn't prohibited. Sounds ridiculous, right? But this is how the SEC is operating here. And then they write, yet all market participants should have known it was a security since 2013. Fair notice or market confusion? Yes, exactly. Ding, ding, ding. That is the point that I made in the video where I was talking about that just the other day. It contributed to market confusion. And market participants did not have fair notice, as the SEC claims they all did. Hell no. And then Crypto Law continues. But wait, there's more. Gotta love that. The SEC also reveals that Ethereum has never appeared on the prohibited holdings or watch list. That means it has had a free pass for all time for SEC employees to buy and trade, before, during, and after Hinman's Ethereum speech. Yet the SEC's refuses to release any data, even in aggregate form, of trading by individual SEC employees and their family members, and also refuses to release Hinman's meeting calendar or who wrote/edited his Ethereum speech. And so this is why this is so crucial here, because if SEC employees actually did purchase XRP, you got to sit there and wonder, because the SEC, they're claiming there was supreme certainty surrounding the legal status of XRP. So if SEC employees did purchase XRP, and I'd be willing to bet some of them did just for fun, you got to ask, well, why then would these SEC employees be willing to purchase an unregistered security from Ripple, which is XRP? Why would they do that? Because the reality is, and you know it just like I do, the truth is, if that happened, and I suspect it very well may have, well, if it happened, then it's because there was not sufficient legal clarity, right? We all know this. This whole thing's a farce. The whole thing is a farce, and the SEC knows it. We all know it, but they're still playing this stupid game, and we're stuck in it for now. And so John Deaton, Attorney John Deaton, tweeted that whole thread out and wrote the following. So here's John Deaton's perspective on all this. And in all capital letters, he wrote, "Are you kidding me?" And then he proceeded. Ether has never been on the prohibited list. That means the SEC employees could buy it. For example, on June 13th, 2018, the day before Hinman's speech? But that's not insider trading because Hinman was declaring Ether not a security? It can't get worse. Yeah, no kidding. I am totally on board with you on that particular topic, John Deaton. It's absurd what the hell's happening here. And it's infuriating, but the good news is there's still tremendous opportunity, and in all likelihood, we are going to see some sort of regulatory clarity. XRP, in all likelihood, I think anyway, is going to be fine. There's no way to know for sure, but that is certainly what I suspect. So you let me know what you think below, but I love seeing the market move to the upside. I think there's just tremendous opportunity here. It's truly an opportunity for life-changing wealth. That is the way that I view it. But you need to make sure you know what the hell you're doing, because there is risk, and there are people that are going to lose a bunch of money not knowing what the hell they're doing, emotionally buying and selling. That's probably like the greatest sin you can make when it comes to crypto. Or, well, I guess investing in general, you could say that too. It is what it is, though, man. What a weird animal crypto is. I am not a financial advisor. You should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.